Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some rustic farmhouse decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Rustic farmhouse decor is a charming and cozy style that blends rustic elements with a farmhouse aesthetic. Here are some tips to incorporate this style into your home. Start with a neutral base. Use neutral tones like white, cream, beige or light green for your walls to create a bright and airy foundation. These will allow your furniture and decor to stand out. Mix old and new. Combine vintage pieces like an antique hutch or a weathered table with modern accents to strike a balance between rustic and contemporary. Incorporate natural materials. Use natural textures such as wood, stone, jute, and linen. Opt for reclaimed wood furniture or open shelving made from raw materials. Add texture with layers, layered rugs, truss, and cushions in varying textures like burlap, chunky knits, and cotton to add warmth and depth to your space. Focus on lighting. Choose rustic light fixtures like candeliers with old diamond details, lantern-style pendants, or messenger sconces. Opt for soft, warm lighting to enhance the cozy vibe. Repurpose and dye. Turn old letters into blanket wraps, messengers into vases, or wooden crates into storage solutions. Dye projects can add a personal touch to your decor. Incorporate farmhouse accessories. Display galvanized metal accents like buckets, pitchers, or trays. Hang vintage-inspired signs or artwork. Use greenery. Decorate with simple greenery like eucalyptus, lavender, or potted herbs. Place them in terracotta pots, wooden planters, or glass jars for a natural touch. Embrace imperfections. Look for furniture and decor with a weathered, distressed finish. These imperfections add character and charm to the farmhouse look. Keep it functional. Farmhouse decor emphasizes practicality. Choose pieces that are both beautiful and functional, like storage benches, wicker baskets, or tiled trays. Highlight key features. If your home has natural elements like exposed beams, shiplap walls, or stone fireplaces, make them focal points in your design. Don't overcrowd. Keep decor minimal and intentional. Avoid clutter by displaying only a few carefully chosen items on shelves or mantels. spacious upper cabinets with open wood or metal shelves to display your farmhouse dishes, mason jars, and plants. This also opens up the space and makes it feel airy. And a touch of industrial. Incorporate industrial style elements like black metal pipe shelving, barn door hardware, or exposed light fixtures to contrast with softer farmhouse touches. Decorate with farmhouse textiles. Use grain-shaped fabric or ticking stripe patterns on pillows, curtains, or table runners for a classic farmhouse feel. Look for muted or pastel colors to keep it subtle. Choose rustic flooring. Opt for wood or wood-look flooring with white planks or a slightly distressed finish. For bathrooms or laundry rooms, consider patterned tiles in neutral tones for a farmhouse touch. Install a farmhouse sink. A deep apron front sink is a quintessential farmhouse kitchen feature. Pair it with an antique style bucket to complete the look. Use glass displays, showcase collections like antique dishes, mugs, and candles in glass front cabinets or open shelving. Decorate with vintage finds. Look for treasures like old window frames, weathered shutters, antique clocks, or wooden crates to add unique farmhouse charm. This can be used as wall decor or functional accents. Incorporate natural light. Keep window treatments light and airy with sheer curtains or none at all to let in natural light. The brightness enhances the cozy farmhouse aesthetic. Add warm metals. Use copper, brush, or oil-rubbed bronze finishes on light fixtures, cabinet hardware, or buckets for a timeless look that complements rustic wood tones. Layer your table decor. On dining or coffee tables, layer table runners, trays, candles, and greenery. Use wooden boards or galvanized trays to tie the look together. Invest in a cozy fireplace. A stone or brick fireplace with a rustic wood mantle creates the perfect farmhouse centerpiece. Add decor like lanterns, wreaths, or candles to dress it up. Decorate with oversized blocks. Hang a large farmhouse style block with a wood or metal frame as a striking yet functional focal point for your living room or kitchen. Use muted patterns. Incorporate gingham, buffalo check, or plaid in muted colors for tablecloths, drawers, and curtains to maintain the farmhouse feel without overwhelming the space. Blend modern and rustic. Combine rustic wooden furniture with sleek, modern decor elements like neutral colored sofas, or minimalist lighting. This creates a clean, updated farmhouse aesthetic. Add a sliding barn door. Replace traditional doors with sliding barn doors made from reclaimed wood or a weathered finish. These work well for pantries, laundry rooms, or bedrooms. At farmhouse entryway, use a wooden bench or console table for shoes and bags. Add hooks for cords and